Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an MSVCR100.dll file is missing from your computer error. So this is a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to be going through the Microsoft website here to actually download something through the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 redistributable package. Keep in mind this will work for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So I have a link in the description of the video for both the 32 and the 64-bit versions. You want to make sure you download your respective version. I'm running a 32-bit system here, so it says times 86. So times 86 is 32-bit if you were unaware of that. So you want to select the correct language, then select the download button right there. It'll say thank you for downloading. It's going to ask what you want to do with this file. You want to click on save. It should take a moment, so just be patient, and then once it's finished downloading, you can click on run. It's going to ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to select yes. Want to check mark I have read and accept the license terms, and then select install. And this should take a moment, so just want to be patient here. And it should say installation is complete. Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 x 86 redistributable has been installed. Click on finish. I recommend closing out of any open applications you have on your computer. Restart your computer, and hopefully your problem with the missing DLL file has been resolved. So thanks for watching, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.